I'm going to show tracing an instrument shadow to make a custom fitted case. Shown here, I've got a projected light 90 degrees to the drawing table. I'm using Logic Trace 2018 and I've selected Tracing Polylines. I'm just going to follow around the shadow of the instrument. I've set up a projected light which is 90 degrees to the drawing table, which makes the shadow perfectly equal all around the instrument. This is an excellent alternative to tracing out an object. I've started my tracing by placing a red mark where I start, and then I just follow along the shadow all the way around the instrument. Because the light is directly overhead, my arm does not get into the shadow pattern. When I finish tracing, I'm going to create a DXF file. I'm going to load that file into Vectric Aspire 11.0, check the vector quality, run it through the simulator, and prepare for a laser cut. While I'm doing this shadow tracing, I thought I would try a grinder to see how that traces out. Again, I'm using Logic Trace 2018 and I've selected Tracing Polylines. So I'm just going to follow along the edge of the shadow of the grinder. This is one way to get a perfect fit of a tool. But I did find that you have to have that projected light 90 degrees to the drawing table so that the shadow is equal all the way around. Again, when I'm finished tracing, I'll save the file as a DXF format. I'm going to run that file through Vectric Aspire 11.0, check the vector quality, and have a look at it through the simulator. First thing we'll do here is we'll run that first image, the thermal imaging camera, through the laser and cut it out in cardboard just to see how it fits. I was happy with the fit, so now I'm going to run it through 2 pieces of 1-inch white foam. I'm using 2 pieces of 1-inch foam because I want a nice tight fit, so when I put that into the case, it'll be tight. You can see here it's a formed fit, nice and tight. That instrument's not going to move. Now I'm going to run the grinder file, the same thing again. This time I'm not going to use cardboard. I'm going to go straight to the 1-inch foam. I'm going to cut 2 pieces, and therefore it'll be 2 inches thick. So that'll make a good packing around that grinder. You can see here that's a nice tight fit. So that's 2 inches of foam all the way around that grinder.